Hi everyone, how are you all? This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin. Once again, thank you for your support. Hope you had a really good Saturday and hope you have a really good Sunday. Okay, I'll try and make this video a bit quicker because my videos are getting a bit long, so I'll try not to talk as much. Just show you a couple of things straight off the bat. I'm going to do a little thought experiment right now for you with Bitcoin. Let me just drop that out. I'm just going to show you a couple of things here. Okay, so on the daily, you know that we've got our buy and go to the beat signal just here from CoinsKid. We've melted up here. We've held this particular signal support. I mean, what a fantastic entry on that yellow line there. Okay, you come up and you've held a golden cross, a buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid as support, and you're looking for the continuation. We do have some targets up above, okay, and we do need to see them broken through and then held them back tested as support. Okay, so that's what we've got in front of us, you're fully aware. But right now there is a beautiful little indicator here that's showing strength for Bitcoin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is bring up this particular indicator. It's called the hash ribbon. Okay, so this particular indicator is called the hash ribbon. I'm going to show you this because I didn't know anything about this, to be honest with you. A lady messaged me on Twitter today saying, if you check the hash ribbon, it's just painted a bullish signal, and I've had a look, and wow, this is amazing. So you come to the indicators and strategies, just up here, the indicators, just type hash, and you've got this first one, hash ribbons. Click on it, and it drops it into your charts. Okay, look at it on the daily time frame. Bring up a daily time frame on your charts. Now this is really good for Bitcoin, because every time this prints a buy signal, it's a really, you know, look at it. Last time we got a buy signal here was after this correction in December, which I remember very well. You know, even here people thinking, oh, we're not going to reach 20k, we're going to go down, and we retain market structural support, and we continued with the uptrend. And right there, look, we've created that buy signal, and from that point, at that last buy signal, just there when we created it, you appreciated a whopping 286% for Bitcoin. Now, you know, I'm not saying, you know, you're going to go 286% here for Bitcoin, but you can see these don't come around every day. They do not come around every day. So when they do come around, you know, it is a great signal. You do need to pay attention to it, okay, because it does prove to be fruitful so far. I mean, look at the gap between them. Obviously, as you're fully aware, there was one here because we had this buy signal after this wave 2 correction, okay, which we've gone through now, the wave 4 correction. I've spoken to you so many times about that wave 4 correction right now. Wave 2 correction, picked up in the bull, continued with the bull, and then you had that whopping corona. From there you picked up and you got your buy signal again. Okay, then obviously you come up and you had more of a little rollover, a correction where you got another little buy signal and another little rollover here, and then you got a continuation, because it works in waveforms. Okay, I don't want you to be disillusioned thinking because I've got the 200k projection up here that it's just going to take off into space. It's going to be a long bumpy road, and you know, a lot of people get shaken out, and this is the way the market works. But this particular signal here, the buy signal and the hash ribbons indicator, look, it doesn't come around every day, and this the gap there is because of the corona dump. Okay, an unforeseeable black swan event. So look, these signals are very fruitful, and right now you're printing one. So pay attention to this, because this is a really good indicator. Okay, really good. It's got a proven track record of being good. So what I want to show you on the weekly is this RSI. Okay, now I'll speak about this so much. Do pay attention to this. So right now you are breaking above this level of resistance right here, and you can see anytime you're above this is confirmation of the bull and an uptrend. So you are in an uptrend, my friend, on the weekly time frame. It's good, it's golden, we're looking for continuation. But like I said to you, it's not going to be an easy ride, and it's going to be a bumpy ride, and there's going to be resistance above and support below. And as long as we can retain these impulsive and retracement waves right now, you are going to be looking at this appreciation for Bitcoin, okay, and cryptos. And you can see we're getting the party started. A lot of the crypto projects are painting reversal patterns right now. So you can see just there, if we do continue from here and we go up to the 1618, because this is what happens in impulsive waves. Okay, you come down and you form a new impulsive wave, you hit the 1618 and you retrace, and then you create another impulsive wave up. Okay, in waveforms, you've seen it, yeah? So it's looking good, it's looking golden, but we have got resistance above right now. I just want to clarify that we are getting above a 050 at the moment. This particular level here at 4309, we're starting to break above it. Look, this is the dead cat bounce scenario where you come up and you hit that and you get rejected. Usually you get rejected off a 050 retracement. There is the golden ratio up at 47314 that we do need to see ourselves get through. But like I said to you, you know, you do it in these waveforms to get there. That is beautiful, because at that point you would have the all-time high, a retracement. And at that point you break that, you got the confirmation you're going to go to the bull, and you're going to go to the 1618 up there at 100k plus. Okay, where you retrace again and then potentially form a new impulsive wave up to that 200k target that we're anticipating in waveforms. Okay, So it's all good. It's all good so far. We're adhering to structural support and key levels of support and resistance. So this is what you want to see, and you're painting beautiful signals on the RSI above a key level of resistance. You know, your stock RSI. Look at that bullish cross. The momentum starting to shift. It's where you can see the big wave coming now for the continuation of the bull. Okay, so it's all good. There was another thing I wanted to show you is a thought experiment. I love the thought experiments on this channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you another thought experiment of mine. So again, I'm not saying this will happen, but this is a potential play. So if we look at the previous bull market and bear market just there, bull market cycle top in 2013, and then we went into a bear market just there, and then we had that bull market, and we got overextended from a 2.272. Let's drop this so you can see it just there. Okay, so we got a little bit overextended from a 2.272, and what we're going to do right now is measure that particular overextension just there, and just have a little guesstimate, okay, of where we could potentially end up if we get a sort of similar scenario where we have that massive blow off top. Is that correct? Is that on the bottom? No, it's not on the bear market bottom. I do apologize. It's just there like that, okay, and you can see that when we've come up, we've done exactly what we're doing now. We've come up, we've ran into a level of resistance, and we've held the 1.272 as support, which is what we're doing right now. So if we take a look at this, this is where Bitcoin got a little bit overextended from a 2.272 in that mania. Look at that, that's mania, that's euphoria, that's what's coming for Bitcoin. So you got 27% overextended just there for Bitcoin in that previous bull run from the 2.272. So what we're going to do right now is just measure this 2.272 from the bear market bottom, which is just there, okay, up to there like that. That's your previous bull market cycle top in 2017 December, which I remember very well. Bear market bottom, fibs, and you can see, for those that are new to the channel, this is where we ran into the 1618. Boom. This is why I was able to lay down this particular fib just here, because as you buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid, confirmation of the bull. Okay, this is confirmation of the bull. You get this on the weekly time frame. That's golden. That's your massive gold signal in the future. Remember that. Look, just look at the history. Bear market, bull market. See you later. EMAs are the best. Ignore moving averages. Honestly, moving averages are lagging indicators. Get your EMAs in your charts, and you only need two. You can complicate if you want with other EMAs, but at the minute I'm trying to teach you the basic lessons here. Okay, so yeah, bear cross, golden cross, buy and go to the beat signal, sell and go to the beat signal. So from that, ran into the 1618, we've rolled down, we've held the 1.272 like an absolute boss, like we have in previous bull markets. And right now, this is where I do see us on our way to this particular projection here at 2.272 fib. Yeah. So what did we say that overextension was? 27%, just there, roughly 27%, 30% or whatever. So if we do get a little bit overextended in this bull run, this is where you could see us pushing up to that 260k plus price appreciation just there for Bitcoin. But it has got a lot of work in front of it. I'm not going to lie. It's got a lot of obstacles. You've got to get back through the all-time high, obviously up here. You know, take out this 1618, and then you've got other retracement levels that you've got to get through. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to just take off into space, I assure you, unless I'm completely wrong. You know, it's going to be bumpy. But so far, it's looking really, really good, and we've got the return of the bull here at the moment. Okay, and like I've shown you, that beautiful little signal on the daily time frame, which doesn't come around every 6 months or something. It's very, very strong. I think the last one we printed was actually in December of last year, which obviously was confirmation after that rollback. We start to pick up of the return of the bull, basically. So it's looking good. It's looking good. But again, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Okay, it's just for educational entertainment purposes only. I know this content is good, and people write, you know, that it is good and are enjoying the content, but honestly, none of it is financial advice. Okay, don't take it as financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm just trying to teach you the skill sets for yourself to have in life, so you can do these things on your own. Okay, so anyway, right now I'm just going to jump into the Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame, see what we can see. Okay, so just looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame, then at the moment it's looking really, really strong. Okay, it's looking really good. I'm not going to lie to you, I do expect some kind of retracement soon, because it's getting a little bit overheated. We have got a beautiful volume profile at the moment on these breaks. Your RSI is getting a little bit overbought here, so this is where you could potentially run into a level of resistance and roll back. There is a technical target I'm going to show you in a minute, but the stock RSI is getting a little bit overextended as well. So this is where you may see a potential rollback for Bitcoin. As you know, we a few days ago I gave you this breakout target from there to there, and you can see that Bitcoin is absolutely come up and met that to a T so far. So that was a beautiful long opportunity from there of around about 10%, and from this break of resistance of this impulsive wave, from this break of the resistance of this falling wedge, which are posted on Twitter and in the videos, you can see 15% up on Bitcoin. So it's doing really well. It's looking strong, but you are going to run into a level of resistance, and I want to reassure you that that is normal. You do need to see this retracement right now, because look, just there we ran up into the resistance here. We just started to get a little bit of extended, and this is where we rolled back. Everyone's shitting themselves, thinking we were going to go to zero again and enter a bear market. But no, it found support and it created a beautiful reversal pattern, and it's picked up. So you could potentially, do something exactly similar. There is a technical target here for Bitcoin. I think I've given you this already, and you can see it's on its way to the 1618 at 46259. Okay, so if Bitcoin comes up now, because it's on its way, it's got through the 1272, it's got through the 1414. So if you do see it meet its target and start to get rejected right here, this is where you'll start to see it retrace. Okay. What would be lovely here for Bitcoin, to be honest with you, if you can retain this level of previous resistance, so the dead cat bounce, which is at 0.50 Fibonacci, you're looking at 43095 Bitcoin. If you can retrace that beautiful level of support, because it's a major level of resistance in a dead cat bounce, okay, it validates the dead cat bounce if you get rejected and you roll over. So if we can hold that as support, that's really good, because what we'll do, we'll build up momentum to tackle the 0618 up here at 47k, and from there I can lay down a future price prediction. Let's just say coins, I've got a crystal ball. Let's just say I've got a crystal ball. Not that I have, okay, not that I have, but let's just say we do get rejected at 1618. You start to see a roll back down here, and it finds its base level of support. It's retracing basically. So what we're going to do is lay down the fib from there to there. Okay, so this is your technical target at the moment. Where are we? This is your technical target, and from here, at this point here, you are looking at a further appreciation of around about 2.2% here for Bitcoin to get to our technical target, which we gave you. So if it does do that, and it gets that technical target and starts to get rejected and roll back and holds a 0.50 at 43.09 as support, that's perfectly healthy, because you're retracing, okay, and you need to do that. You come up impulsive, retrace, continuation. So if we do that and we bounce off this level of support right now, you could be looking at a new impulsive wave up just there for Bitcoin, taking us up to 46.829, which will take us up just above the previous high there, roll back to support this. The thing is, if we roll deeper, the impulsive wave gets higher. Do you see that? So if we do, and this is another thing that I do anticipate, honestly, I would like to see this 0.50 held to be a support, to be honest with you. Just cool off a little bit up here, just hold it as support, and then have a small little impulsive wave just there, and people think, oh shit, we're running out of steam, we're going to roll over, but you're just building up momentum for the big break, okay, taking us out of these key levels of resistance, i.e. this golden ratio. So if we do start to lose the 0.50, what I would like to see here for Bitcoin is something like this, where you come back, and if you start to lose that level there, hold this trend line as support, okay, because with previous resistance, you need to see held as support, and you can see right on the 4 hour, I'm not saying it has to happen, on the 4 hourly time frame, we've not necessarily backtested this trend line as support, okay, and I do like to see that, to be honest with you. So you could see a larger retracement wave here, bringing us down to this level here, which would look bad, and people shit themselves thinking we're going to zero, and the ABC correction is correct, and the dead cat bounce correction is correct. But from that point, we could offer a fantastic entry point here for Bitcoin, where we could form a brand new impulsive wave up, and potentially wherever we retrace to, if we lose the 0.50, we could absolutely melt faces here, come up, build up momentum to break the 0618 and push up towards 49k here for Bitcoin. But that's if it retraces, okay. It can absolutely get overextended and go beyond the 1618 here for Bitcoin and melt these levels. So this is a scenario if you do start to see the rejection and a bit of a rollover and a pullback in the market, which I reassure you is healthy, because you only look at the RSI and the stock RSI. It works in waveforms, okay. It doesn't go up forever. Everything works in waveforms like this. So that's some little trajectory there and little forecast for Bitcoin, but that is a potential play in the chart just here for Bitcoin, where you see that lovely little retracement, hold support, looking at continuation and those price appreciations there. But so far, everything here is working out to a T, and all targets have been met so far for Bitcoin. So take care, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong. Have a really good Sunday. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.